Hello everyone, my name is Pannie and I'm from International Relations and Development. Currently, I'm a kind of freshman student, so I would like to have a lot of people to be my friends. I really want to try some kind of voluntary activities in INC, and I found this voluntary language program, and I'm really interested in English language, so I applied for this position, and I believe that I will get some fun and also some kind of experience to improve my English knowledge and also some kind of English speaking. Yes, because I guess I may need to work together with Eddie and some kind of English teachers from IC. So I strongly believe that these activities will get me more knowledge about English language and also some kind of fun and also some kind of new friends. Yeah, that's a thank you.